If you've ever wondered which programming languages are essential for hacking, whether ethical hacking or cybersecurity, you've come to the right place. Today we're breaking down the top programming languages every aspiring hacker needs to learn. Ready? Let's jump right in. First up is Python, the Swiss Army knife of hacking. Python is one of the most versatile programming languages in the world, and it's a favorite among hackers for several reasons. It's easy to learn, has a massive library of tools, and is perfect for writing automation scripts, networking programs, and even exploit development. In fact, some of the most popular hacking tools like Metasploit and Scapy are built in Python. Whether you're building malware, automating tasks, or crafting exploits, Python's simplicity and power make it an essential language to learn. Next, we have C and C++. If Python is great for high-level scripting, C and C++ give you control over low-level system processes. Hackers often use C to interact with hardware, write exploits, or create shellcode that runs at the system or kernel level. For example, buffer overflow exploits, a common hacking technique, are often written in C because it gives direct access to memory understanding C. C++ also helps hackers in reverse engineering, where they break down and analyze compiled software. Coming in at number 3 is JavaScript, the language of the web. If you're into web hacking or penetration testing, JavaScript is a must-know language. It's essential for cross-site scripting, XSS attacks, where hackers inject malicious scripts into web pages viewed by other users. JavaScript also plays a big role in browser exploits, manipulating client-side scripts and understanding how modern web applications work. With most web apps relying heavily on JavaScript, mastering this language gives hackers a powerful tool for web-based attacks. Next on our list is SQL, which stands for Structured Query Language. SQL is used to communicate with databases, and it's at the heart of one of the most common and devastating web hacking techniques, SQL injection. By exploiting vulnerabilities in poorly coded web applications, hackers can use SQL to gain unauthorized access to a website's database, steal sensitive information, or even delete data. Mastering SQL gives you the skills to manipulate and exploit databases in ethical hacking and penetration testing. Let's talk about Bash and shell scripting. For hackers, automation is key, and that's where shell scripting comes into play. Using Bash or other shell scripting languages, hackers can automate tasks like scanning networks, brute forcing passwords, or even managing exploits. Shell scripting is widely used in Linux environments, which are heavily preferred by hackers. Knowing how to write and execute shell scripts makes repetitive tasks easier and allows for faster execution of various hacking processes. Next is PHP, a server-side scripting language that's used by around 80% of websites, including popular platforms like WordPress. Understanding PHP is crucial for web hackers because it allows you to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. Many remote code execution, RCE, exploits and file inclusion attacks are based on exploiting poorly written PHP code. If web hacking is your focus, PHP should definitely be on your list of languages to master. And there you have it, the top programming languages you need to learn for hacking. From Python and C to JavaScript and SQL, each of these languages gives you unique powers to explore and understand how systems work, and ultimately, how to secure them.